In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Calendar. Whether you're managing a hectic work schedule, organizing family activities, or simply trying to better coordinate your personal life, a new Google Calendar can be a powerful tool to help you stay on track. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily set up a new calendar tailored to your specific needs. First things first, you'll need to open Google Calendar on your desktop using a web browser. Once you've accessed the site, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. It's important to be logged in so that your new calendar syncs with your account and is accessible across all your devices. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Google Calendar interface. Here, you'll find a section titled Other Calendars. If you're already familiar with Google Calendar, you may have noticed this section before. It's where you can manage additional calendars and access different viewing options. Adjacent to the Other Calendars title, you'll see a plus icon. Clicking this plus icon is your next step. This action reveals a drop-down menu with various options, but for our purposes today, you'll want to select the Create New Calendar option. By choosing this, you initiate the process to set up a fresh calendar. Once you've selected Create New Calendar, you'll be taken to a new page where you can customize your calendar's details. Begin by entering a name for your calendar. Think about what you'll primarily use it for and choose something descriptive such as work schedule or family planner. A good name will help you quickly identify this calendar among any others you might create. Adding a description for your calendar is optional, but useful if you want to provide more context about its purpose or the kind of events it will contain. Additionally, you'll want to set your preferred time zone. This is a vital step to ensure that your events appear at the correct times, regardless of where you are or which device you're using to view them. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click the Create Calendar button located at the bottom of the page. Upon doing this, Google Calendar will process your request, and within a few moments, your new calendar will be ready. To verify its creation, check under the My Calendar section on the left sidebar. Here you'll see your newly created calendar listed among any others you already manage. From this point, you can start adding events, setting reminders, or sharing the calendar with others if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Google Calendar. It's now ready to help you organize and manage your time more effectively. Once you're comfortable with these basic steps, you can further explore Google Calendar's features to customize your experience even more.